Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to stop snipping tool from automatically taking screenshots in Windows 11. First method is change accessibility option. Second method is change snipping tool settings.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.